Aurora province, where the famous Baler is located, has also been preparing for the influx of tourists this vacation season. As Francis Falve tells us, additional police personnel had been deployed to the area.
A few days before the anticipated break for Holy Week and summer, business and tourism in Baler slowly pick up. Groups of motorcycle riders took souvenir photo in the town's landmarks. This is Khaled Osmani's first time to visit the Philippines. He came from Sweden and is only staying for a few days. That's why he's trying to see as many attractions in the town as possible.
I have been around because I love swimming and try to learn surfing.
Baler Aurora is famous for surfing waves, and returning to Sabang Beach is included in Pedro Lox's bucket list. He took his family with him to experience the beach and the waves.
Uling punta ko dito 2015 pa. So nagmark sa akin to kasi dito ako first natutong mag-surf. And alam ko yung spot na to, pang surfing talaga, pang beginner. Siyempre ako beginner. Sa ibang magagaling, astig din yung swell dito. And mababaw.
Locals lost livelihood since they've experienced a decline in their tourism industry during the pandemic. They are hopeful that this year will be a good year for business and tourism. Tourist police has already been deployed in strategic places for security and to assist their guests. Traffic rerouting will be implemented as well. Baler Tourism Office expects more guests to visit and ride their waves, which according to them is the birth of Philippine surfing. PNP warns the public to take extra caution. PNP data shows high drowning incidents during summer season. They in fact recorded 125 cases in 2023 and 90 last year. The PNP Maritime Group's task is for port security and quick response in recreational and coastal emergencies.
Sila po yung may tasking upang palakasin po yung ating kampanya para maiwasan po yung drowning incident sa mga tourist spots na may mga paliguan po. Ang pinakamalaki po ay ang Region 1 na alam naman natin na may mga magagandang beaches at po yung Region 4A po.
The Highway Patrol Group, meanwhile, will serve as safety marshals and reinforcements to ongoing COMELEC-initiated checkpoints. Francis Polbe, Bellionario News Channel.